Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to unbox Zulay Milk Frother. And yes guys, you probably know that somehow, coffee machines, espresso machines, they actually come with them frothing technology, but I feel like with this technology you don't have to have much of the cleaning. So basically when you need to clean it, you just put it under the running water. Absolutely love that it actually comes with a stand. And also guys, I chose it in this cotton candy color. I feel like it's definitely quite festive. And yes, the batteries are actually not included, so let's put them in and turn it on. And there is actually a little installation. So basically it says place the ribbon under the battery, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. Place one battery first. I'm using Duracell, and then the ribbon on top, and now I'm actually doing it this way. I hope I place them right in the right direction. And yes guys, let's see. Yes, as you can see, it turns on quite easily, and it is super powerful. And my friends actually have one of these, and they use it to even whip heavy cream to put on your desserts if you just need it fast.